Google Tag Manager is a helpful tool if you need to implement Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or other tags. This video won't make a developer from you, but we will explain how it works and how to implement it. Hi guys, thanks for watching We Speak Digital. I'm Lucas, and in this episode I will introduce you Google Tag Manager. As a digital marketer or PPC specialist, you need to interact with developers and IT team in your or client's company pretty often. And as they already have a lot on their plates, your tasks are usually not getting enough priority. That's why Google Tag Manager can save you a lot of time and hassle. So when you will use GTM, it will help you with implementation of all tags you need for marketing, like Google Analytics tag, AdWords conversion and remarketing tag, Facebook Pixel, and all others. Basically, every advertising platform you use today will ask you to implement some piece of code to your website. And that's where GTM helps. While before you had to go with every request to your developer, now you need them to implement Tag Manager with data layers once, and then you can do the rest by yourself. How to install it? First step is create an account or use an existing account at tagmanager.google.com. Number 2, create a container from your website or mobile app. Number 3, install container for your content. Add the container snippet to your site and remove any existing tags. An account is the topmost level of organization in Tag Manager. Typically, only one account is needed per company, as all tags for your company's content can be managed from this single account. Then you need to install the container. For this, go to Google Tag Manager and click Workspace. Near the top of the window, you will find Container ID. It looks like GTM, dash, and some number. Click that container ID to launch the Install Tag Manager box. Copy and paste the code snippets into your website as instructed, or download and install the appropriate mobile SDK. You can find link to detailed instruction in the description of this video. In the end, verify or troubleshoot your installation with Tag Manager Preview mode and the Tag Assistant Chrome extension. These two tools will show you if you install GTM properly. Once you install GTM, you can start inserting tags, triggers, and variables. From that moment, you can add your tags yourself without needing any IT support. We will list recommended videos from other channels in the description, so you can learn more about how GTM works and how to use it properly. And of course, if you have any question, send us a comment under the video. Thanks for watching and see you all very soon.